Who hasn't dreamt of owning a supercar that can go from 0 to 100 in seconds, tough enough to take the desert dune bashing, and all wrapped up in a sleek body? Hello and welcome to yet another series of exotic cars on DubiCars. What we are checking out today is the Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato by CV Auto on DubiCars, your go-to platform for buying, selling and researching and comparing cars in the UAE. Here are top 5 things that you need to know about this rugged supercar. 1. Although not directly, this is a nod to Lamborghini's OG LM001 SUV. 2. The Sterrato gets 171 mm of ground clearance that enables it to be taken on dirt or sand. 3rd, the Sterrato gets Bridgestone dualer all-terrain tires that is specifically made for this supercar, which will enable it to go off-roads. 4th, the Huracán Sterrato is powered by a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine producing 610 horsepower. 5. Only 1,499 units of this rugged supercar were made and all of them are sold out. The Sterrato continues to feature the Huracan's sleek body, giving it the supercar credentials. It also features the same Y-shaped DRLs and tail lamps that are seen on the Huracan. Let us also take a moment to appreciate this beautiful, solid matte green color on this Sterrato. Looks beautiful, ain't it? Now for the off-road credentials, the Sterrato gets the front skid plate right here to protect it from debris and rough terrain. Also, the LED lights that you see up front and the hood scoop that you see at the top are all optional accessories that you can add to the Sterrato. From the side on the Sterrato, you can spot several other off-road bits. This includes the all-round body cladding and the reinforced side skirt that will help you during off-road. And also, there is a beautiful looking 14-spoke 19-inch alloy wheels along with orange brake calipers and all-terrain tires. This Sterrato means business even while it's off-road. At the rear, except for the skid plate right here, all other design elements remain the same as the standard Huracan. Inside, the Sterrato stays true to the luxury Lamborghini DNA, but with a rugged twist. Also, you've got that sporty yet premium Alcantara seats that will keep you in place on rough terrain and also has been reinforced to handle all the rough rides that you would do on the Sterrato. The digital cluster displays off-road data such as tilt angle and direction that you are heading to, which is unheard of for a low-slung supercar like this. Some of the other things that you can spot inside the Lamborghini Sterrato are these amazing aluminum switches, an 8-inch infotainment system that takes care of all the entertainment needs along with Apple CarPlay connectivity, and finally there is a flip-up switch to start the Sterrato. The Huracán Sterrato continues to be powered by the legendary 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 producing 610 horsepower and 560 Newton meters of torque. Now this car sprints from 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds and continues to go all the way up to 260 km per hour no matter what the surface is. Lamborghini has reinforced and tuned the suspension for this godlike creation to handle the rough terrain. Along with that, you get a rally mode that tunes the suspension, stability control and also the 4-wheel drive system on this car to give you maximum grip over any surface. The Lamborghini Sterrato is one of those special creations that have raised the bar for supercars across the world. With just 1,499 units made and all of them sold out, it is one of the rare opportunities to own this amazing rugged supercar. Find this Lamborghini Huracán Sterrato for sale by CV Auto on DubiCars. Also download our app, turn on the notification to get the latest updates on cars. As always, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I shall see you in the next one.